Hi, I am Ghanshyam Khillar from the Career Web Technology. Today we are going to learn how the Delta PLC will communicate with the WPL soft in real time. Okay, so we are going to see this is the Delta PLC. This is the most popular PLC Dvp 14Ss2 series, and you can see here this is the power cable. This is the power connector. By this power connector we are providing to 24-volt DC power supply, and this is the RS485 connector, and this is the RS232 port communication port, where we will connect the communication cable for downloading and uploading the PLC program. Okay, this is for HMI PLC, HMI program upload and download for the HMI. Yes, here you can connect that cable, and this is the printers that is easily available in the market. You can see this is the printers cable. Okay, this by this communication cable you will download the PLC program, or will communicate the PLC to PC by this cable. This DB9 round type of connector, this will be connected here. This will be connected here to download the program, and another side this will be connected to the PC, and you can leave this one as it is without connecting anywhere. I can close here. So we are going to open the Delta PLC software, that is WPL soft 2.51. Okay, now my PLC software is opening. Okay, you can this is my existing program. So what you will do, I am going to take the fresh new project. So I am selecting here. Okay, you can type here your project name. I am selecting here as Tata. So you have to select here the PLC series number as my PLC is DVP 14Ss2. So SS2 is already selected here, so there is no need to change. You can type here the project name, or file name. I am typing here project 12. Okay, so you can mention here as per your requirement. So I am selecting here. Now my software is ready to prepare the program. So what I am doing here, I am taking the as one input, that is what I am to do. I am typing here as start PB, or start push button. Yes, now I will take an output, that is 0, and I am mentioning here as it is light. Okay, now this is right. I am doing here Control S, that is save. You have to provide the path where this program will be saved. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to, after successfully preparing the program, you have to compile this program. What you have to do, you have to go the compile, and let this is compile. Then you can compile this program from here also. Yes, you can see here there is two options to compile here. And you can see here the left side below corner, compiling is complete is mentioned here. Why the compiling is required? You have to do compile the program, because you have to check, you are checking the program, that if there will be any error in commanding, or if there will be any error in syntax or any other error. So this is compiling is, that means this is the error checking method and nothing else. Okay, there is no any error, so compiling is complete is mentioned here. What you have to do, you have to communicate. Now you have to do communicate the PLC and PC. You have to configure, you have to communicate the PC to PLC communication. So what do you have to do? You have to go to option and communication setting. You can see here in COM port, and I have selected here, this is the RS232, and here there is nothing, any communication port is available. COM port is here, but here there is nothing. And when you will be selected here, when I am selecting here in 3 dot, there is no any option available. So I am cancel here. For easy understanding, for easy for find out what you have to do, you have to go the device manager for better understanding. What I am doing here, device manager, I go to the device manager, type here and device manager, go to the device manager. You and I am where is the device manager? Yes, this is okay. You can maximize here as there is no port is available. So why, due to this is the communication, this communication port I have not connected to the my connected to my PC still now. What I will do, I will connect this port to my laptop. You will listen a beep sound. A beep sound will be created. You will listen the beep sound and there will be a an option will be appear. Yes, port option. Yes, I have connected the cables and you can see here the port option. You can click here. Silicon Labs. This one is a CP210X. This will be open. This will be appear. USB to your UART bridge. This option will be appear. If there will be no any option like this, or if there will be any error option will be there, then you have to install the driver software. There is three types of software inside the Delta PLC Delta PLC HMI communication. There is three types of software is required. These are, one is the WPL soft for PLC, another for HMI, DOP soft, and for the communication you have to install the driver software. Otherwise you are not able to communicate the PLC to HMI. So you have to install the driver software. What I will do, I am going to close this one. Okay, now my PLC is ready to download. My communication is completed now. So you can see here, this is the write to PLC. Write to PLC, that means from whatever I have prepared the PLC program, this small program I have created here. What you have to do, you have to download this one. Download, that means write to PLC. From PC to PLC, that is called download or write to PLC. Write to PLC, that means we are going to download this program from PC to PLC. Sorry. And this is, you can see here, read from PLC. Read from PLC, that means what? You will take backup from PLC to PC, that is called read from PLC. Okay, so our requirement is now currently we are going to download the program from PC to PLC. What we have to do, this is the you can see here multiple options available here. This is the arrow mark from PLC to PC. That means this is the backup option. Whenever you need to take the backup of a program, you can select this one, or read from, you have to select this read from PLC. Currently we are not going to do that one, due to we are going to download the program. So my PC to PLC, this type of error mark should be selected here, and I am clicking here OK, and select here is yes. Okay, now you have to be careful. Be careful that when you will download the PLC program, the existing PLC program will be delete or erase permanently. So be careful before download the PLC program. You have to collect your backup, or you have to save the backup program after before download the program PLC program. So I am doing here yes. Now the existing program is permanently erased, and my this small PLC program is overlapped on the existing program, and the existing program will be disappeared, or the existing program will be erased, and this will be downloaded inside the PLC. What we will do, I am going to run this PLC now. This symbol, this outlet symbol will be the run symbol. You can see here, this is yes, I have done here yes. And now I am going to the online mode. You can see here yes. Now you can see here run is blinking here yes. Now my PLC is gone into the online mode. You can see here, when I push the press the push button. Sorry, yes, I have, when I have pressed the push button, my output is on here. When I release the push button, then my output is off. Once again yes, my output is on or and off. You can see here, if I want to on that output from from the PC, you can see here what you will do. You have to do yes, no, set on option you will be not applicable from here. Yes, you can see here this is not applicable from here. Yes, this is the physical output. If memory bit will be there, you can modify to set on. But whenever this is physical input is available, you have to do force. You have to apply the force. So what you have to do. You have to apply force. If force on, then my output is on here. If you want to off this one, you can apply off once again. Yes, my output is off now. Yes, now the x0, the input is applied force. To release the applied force, you can select here to release all. Yes, okay. Now my input is released from the PLC. Okay, this communication process is completed now. And if anyone want to join our paid course, you can join with our institution for the paid courses, paid services. Thank you so much for the watching this video. Thank you once again.